Welcome back to Housewife Sundays. So we're in one of my favorite places in my home, my closet, and we just started the video off with the unboxing. So if you are wondering why we did the unboxing, it's because we unboxed an outfit that I got from Fwrd. I ordered this. I think it was like $100 and something. It was on sale. This wonderful dress. My phone's going crazy right now. This wonderful dress, so I wanted to show you. So after we do our unboxing and a little chit chat, I will show you the whole outfit because we are getting ready to go to dinner tonight. But I had to do this unboxing and review for you. So Friday I went to Saks. I did a little bit of shopping, and I got an item that I went for and an item that I have had my eye on for a very, very long time. So let's get into it without further ado. Before we get into it, make sure that you are liking, commenting, and subscribing, please and thank you. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I love you to the moon and back. I am Nurse Monroe. I am that girl, period, point blank. And you are always going to get some entertainment, some gossip, some faith, some fashion, all of that. So just welcome. And my show is entitled Housewife Sunday. So now let's get back into it. So I went for Chanel earrings. I did not have a gold pair of Chanel earrings. Like I had silver, I didn't have gold. So I went for a gold pair of earrings. If you know, I am a Taurus. Yes. So my birthstone is emerald green. So, but I've always been obsessed with green. High school, my favorite color was lime green. Don't ask, it was lime green and pink. I was that girl in my lime green and pink. So I ended up going, I did find these beauties. Let's set all of the clicks and biggles bound. So, Shanae. So these, the price point for these was $8 something, I think. Here, so price tag $8 something. Yeah. So these are from the new fall winter 2020 22-23 collection. These were runway pieces. So and when I seen the jewelry that they were doing, it's also a bag I got my eye on it, I'm probably gonna get to, but when I seen the jewelry, and it was the emerald greens, the pinks, and just all these vibrant colors, I was like, I gotta get me a piece. So these are other babies that we ended up getting. They're absolutely amazing. I'm gonna see if it's gonna do a close-up and zoom in. It may not do a zoom in, but I'm sure it's a video up here on the corner that I'm showing you that gives you a more close-up look of these beauties. The detailing in them, they are absolutely to die for. Like it was, so they had some that were more chandelier, and they had green, pink, and like a lavender purple on them. I was gonna get those, but those were like too many colors, and I'm just like, these you can mix and match and you can pair with so many things. So I'm in love with them. I'm just in love with them. So I got these, and I'm trying to see if you can see, which you probably can, because the pearl detailing here, it's pearls on them. they're just absolutely amazing. They're absolutely amazing. So I ended up getting those babies. So we're gonna put those over. I put them in the box one. We're just gonna put those over there. Then, drum roll please, Valentino. So before we open this box, last winter when these shoes were released by Valentino, I think it was winter, it may have been summer, but anyway, the first season that these were released, I fell in love with them. But I was like, you know, I still was up in the air. It was like, you know, do I really want them? Like, I have a lot of, I am a platform girl. I am obsessed with the 70s. That's why Tom Ford is one of my favorite designers, because he's obsessed with the 70s. If you notice, all his platform and disco ball type of vibes, even down to the sunglasses. When he brought Gucci back, that is how he brought Gucci back in the 90s, was that he brought in this innovative, like, disco, like vibrant, like colors, like sequins, like all of that good stuff. So I was like, I got platform shoes. I got a lot. I'm very into platform. I'm a small girl. I don't have on any heels right now. I'm like 5'4". So I'm always into things that are going to take me up. So I was like, do I want these? Do I not? And then I was in socks, and they were there, and they were just calling my name. So I got them. So I am going to probably get these in another color. Definitely for the spring I will be getting another color of these. Now remember, we only buy classic pieces. I do not buy pieces that I cannot wear 5 or 10 years from now or pass down to my future daughter, who's gonna get like the best lit stuff. So these were just it. They were just it. So the price point on them were $1,100. You ready? Here they are. Hello, Valentino on line 1. They are absolutely amazing. I'm gonna set them down so we can get into the detailing of the shoe. So one thing that I did not realize, I love them. Patent leather screams cash money class. It's just so much. I am wearing these tonight, so like I told you in a second, I'm gonna show you my full look. The only thing that I kind of was a little perplexed about was the fact that the ankle strap does not move. It is attached permanently to the back of the shoe. So that was the only thing. Other than that, these are, and let's get into the comfort level. For between a 0 and 10, I give these a 10 being the best and most comfortable shoe. I give them like a 9.5. These are absolutely extremely comfortable. And I remember when I was talking to one of the essays, the essay was like, yeah, everyone says they're so comfortable. They're just, it is a shoe, honey. This is a shoe. This is a big girl shoe. This is not for my girls who want to take their shoes off in the middle of the club. We talked about that before. That's absurd. They should even think that's acceptable. We do not take our shoes off in the club. If you feel like you're going to be at that point in your life, you know, during the event, during the evening, bring a flip-flop. You know, utilize some foot numbing spray or something, but like barefoot after you leave the club, so no. So so yeah, so I wore these the entire night last night. I really didn't feel my look last night, so I really didn't take a picture. So I also ordered this shirt that I wore last night. The shirt didn't give the vibe, if you've seen from the unboxing. It was meant to have like the back cut out and all of this. It didn't give the vibe that I was expecting. You know what it was? It was because the material was kind of cheapy, and it just didn't do what it was supposed to do. I still made it do what it do. I still was giving cute, but I just wasn't feeling the look, so I didn't take any pictures. Definitely gonna take some pictures in this look. Love this dress. And I got this dress in a medium, and it fits perfect. I was gonna get a large, and then I was like, no, because I keep buying dresses, my bandage dresses in larges, assuming what I don't know, and I'm buying them too big. So the medium fits perfect, and I'm so in love with that. So I'm in love with those Valentinos. I do plan on getting another pair of those. Those were just like the shoe of a century. One thing that I am gonna tell you about Valentino, what size did I get? I think I got a 41. They are kind of a true to size shoe. The reason I will say that is, and you want to get your true size, is because you don't want them to have the flip-flop in the back. You don't want them to start slipping and going, you know, up and down while you're moving. So I will definitely recommend that if you are able to step into a Valentino, your Saks, your Neiman's, you can go and actually try them on. They normally have them at Saks and Neiman's all the time. They always have a very large Valentino like department here in Atlanta. So we have a large one, so you can go, you can try them on, but I do recommend you get the shoe. They are a staple shoe. They can be worn with jeans, they can be worn with a dress. They give a very baby doll type of vibe that I'm very much into right now. You can tell that's been my vibe lately with my hair. So I recommend them. They're just a great shoe to buy. The earrings are just impeccable. They're just impeccable. Some of the bags from that line I really wasn't too much of a fan of. I'm not a tweed. I love Chanel tweed, but I'm just not in it with it being a bag. I just know the dangers that comes with that and the longevity of those type of bags and items, and I'm just very nervous. And I will say that the quality of Chanel bags has went down in the last 5 years. I'm not gonna even lie to you, it has. So I don't trust them enough right now to purchase a tweed bag. Even though I love it, I don't trust them enough to purchase it. And I'm giving them $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 for it, and then they're like, oh, okay, well, we'll send it out for repair, but the repair is taking months at a time because it's getting sent over to Italy for it to be repaired. And I'm just like, I don't have time. Like it's just too much. It's giving me anxiety just thinking about it. So it's gonna be a no. So, but the Valentinos were definitely a buy. Like I said, I'm gonna try and I'm gonna go and get more colors. And I really think that I got two really good items. I'm still in the market for a couple of more other items for the fall. I really want to find me a really nice boot. I was gonna go to Saint and try on, because they have a velvet above, like right to the knee boot, that I was like, the idea of it and me visually seeing it, it looked very appealing. But I was also like, I was kind of crunched for time, so I think next week I'm gonna do a couple of more walkthroughs and kind of try some things on. But these are two purchases that I'm really happy about, and I'm just like, I'm ecstatic. I love it when I go for something and I get some great quality, you know, classic pieces. I am a classic piece girl, so even as trendy as it is, I may kind of dibble and dabble into it a little bit, but my staple pieces in my closet are normally classic pieces that can be brought back, that can be reinvented, that can be worn several different ways, and are just very like clean and chic and just ladylike and classy. I don't like it doing too much because I'm already doing a lot. You know, I'm already looking a certain type of way, so I don't need my clothes. I'm wearing the clothes, you know, I don't need them to be wearing me. So, I am so happy that you guys got to see those pieces. I am going to come back with my full outfit on and show you guys how the shoes look on, how they look on with the dress. And I'm just like ecstatic about it. And thank you for coming and like enjoying this quick little unboxing, this quick little 2+K at Saks that we spent. We love to show you. And I'll see you when I come back with my full look. Bye. Ooh, baby.